Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to save a Notepad file as PDF in Windows 10 PC. For this, first open your Notepad document and then press Ctrl P on the keyboard or click on this one File menu and here select Print in the drop down menu. In the print dialog box, select this one Microsoft Print to PDF. This is a built-in printer in Windows 10 PC. Select this one printer and then you can select the page range from all selection current page or a specific pages, and after that click on this one print button. Now navigate to the location where you want to save the PDF file and name the PDF file, and after that click on this one save button. Now you can open this one PDF file using any PDF viewer, or you can also open it with any web browser. To open it with a web browser, right click on it and select open with option, and then you can choose any browser that you have installed on your Windows PC such as Google Chrome. Now your PDF document will be opened in your specific web browser.